17. I said, okay, that's it, no question. I'm going to be a lawyer.
No question. And thank God, a fine one, exceptional one you've become. We look at your profession, do we still have the core group of some lawyers who do your practice, but at the same time you worry about what's going on in our community, and you give and you share and you extend yourself? Do we have behind you some other young folks, young lawyers who sort of follow the role models of you and Billy and Warren?
Well, I think you hit it yesterday when you talked about Wendell, the warrior lawyer. He's a great example of the young folks. He's leading that parade of young lawyers that are coming up with more involved than just making money. The commitment to our people, the commitment to the community. So I think there's a whole cadre of lawyers following in the footsteps of Billy and Warren and myself, and one in particular is the warrior lawyer.
Why not become a judge?
Well, at one point in time I thought about it, and then I said, well, tragic as it is in Baltimore City, you go down to the circuit court and all you see is our folks being put in jail over and over and over. And I think that would traumatize me and not also bore me, but also upset me. And it's a necessary mechanism, don't get me wrong. But to do that all day long, just send black folks to jail, it might be very depressing. Even though at one point in time I had considered it.
That was, I remember that being the discussion when I was in office, and people often, particularly after the Jimmy Carter situation, where you were obviously a mainstay of that. We just knew for sure you would move into...
Well, I was asked, and this is, as you know, Larry, my book is coming out, Undercover Law, very, very shortly.
Good.
And I was asked by Andy Young one night, I picked him up at the airport, and he says, Carter wants to know, what do you want in the administration? You want to be a judge? What have you? I said, no, I don't think so, Andy. I said, I'd like to be considered the U.S. attorney, which I was, and that was a major political battle. And but I said, at that time I was 29, 30 years old, and that was just not an aspiration of mine.
The White Planet
to be put
on the
away.
Larry Young Morning Show.
But Larry, we come from a great city, this city of Baltimore and Maryland. I don't know whether sometimes you need to consider the history. We have been historically one of the great cities in America in terms of producing African-American lawyers. We produced Thurgood Marshall. We produced Clarence Mitchell Jr. We produced Juanita Jackson Mitchell. This